Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're getting up close and personal, and we're gonna do this step-by-step soft glam but make it green. As you guys can see from the thumbnail, this is gonna be a green soft glam. So first I'm starting off with moisturizing my face with my Bobbi Brown enriched base. I love this stuff. This stuff is like crack. I use it on my clients and it just gives me a nice glowy base to start with. Next, I'm taking my Tarte primer, and I'm gonna leave the direct name of the Tarte brand of primer this is, but I'm going to apply that with a setting brush around the areas that normally get oily. So I'm making sure that I get it under my eyes and on my T-zone area, and this is gonna give me a nice little base, a matte base to start off with. If you guys are new here to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I'm almost to 2K subscribers, and this is the year, guys. This is the year that I'm gonna hit 2K subscribers. I'm speaking it into existence, so help me out, y'all, and hit that subscribe button. So for today, I'm taking this MAC foundation. As you guys can see, it's a little lighter than it should be, but that's the fun thing about makeup, is that you can always contour and make things the way that you need it to be. But right now my neck is this shade, so that's why I chose this color. That's why I need summer to come, so I can get a little tan, because the winter has made me a little more white I would say. So I chose this color because I can always finesse it with the contour and things like that. So this is the shade that I chose. This is from MAC. And then I also took a e.l.f. concealer and a Born This Way concealer, and I used the lighter one towards the inner corner of my eyes and then a darker one towards the outer corner. Now I'm going to take my Real Technique setting brush, and I'm just going to lightly pat that concealer into place. So you want to just pat very gently, guys. You don't want to actually beat your face. You want to use these brushes lightly, okay? You want to use it lightly because it could just seep into your skin, and you don't want it to seep into your skin. You want it to actually just lay on your skin. So that's why we do things gently when we're doing our makeup, okay, guys? So guys, in one of my last videos, I was asking you guys, what kind of videos do you guys like? I want to see you guys comment more on my videos. Like, I feel like I have so many subscribers, but you guys don't comment. Like, comment and let me know what you guys like and what you guys enjoy from my channel, so I can get more feedback, Right now I'm taking this dark shade from Milani Cosmetics, and this is a concealer and foundation in one, and I'm just taking that just to bring some color back into my face, like I said earlier. And yeah, this is just going to bring that color back into my face, and I'm going to blend that out with a dense brush. Y'all, I'll be watching Pop the Balloon or Find Love while I'm doing my videos sometimes, so that's why you see me like reacting and looking to the side, because that Pop the Balloon is just hilarious, guys. It's just too much. It's just so funny watching them, how they react to other people and how they pop the balloon for like crazy stuff. I also like Married at First Sight and Love Is Blind. Like, I just love shows like that, because it's like you really put yourself out there to like marry a stranger, and which is crazy, like, and they be finding out stuff after the fact. It's like, why would you put yourself through that? But I like that some of them actually be trying to like make the marriage work because they really want marriage. So it's like, it's good at the same time, but at the same time it's bad because this is a stranger you're marrying. You don't know anything about them. You have to be like really, really open to be able to do that, you know? But yeah, I just love shows like that, guys. Like, I'm obsessed with shows like that. Like love shows. But yeah, guys, back to the makeup. I'm contouring my nose. I'm just blending out that contour with this type of brush that's literally shaped perfectly for contour. I love this brush. Right now I'm getting my this is the blush by Selena Gomez, actually. I love this blush, and I need to get more, actually. But I'm just applying little dabs of that and just blending it out. And if I want more, I just add more, you know, because I'm a blush girl. I love it.
Basically, it's going over there, see why they ended up popping.
Okay.
Your name and age.
Joshua, 35.
And Joshua.
Alright guys, so now I'm just setting my concealer with my AC Cosmetics setting powder. I love the setting powder so much, guys. It just gives you like a flawless airbrushed look. So I really love this setting powder recently. Before, you guys saw that I put some concealer on my forehead because I did forget to do that. But it's okay, it's makeup, guys. You just have fun with it, you work with it, and the end result is always cute, okay? So now I'm taking my contour palette, True Complexions contour palette. You can get this from the beauty supply store, literally. And I'm going to just set all the places that I contoured with that middle shade. Alright guys, now to bake, I took my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is the more yellow setting powder, and I'm going to just bake underneath my eyes. So with baking, I just take a larger amount of powder and I just let it sit under my eyes. And I also use it to just sharpen my nose contour and any other contour on my face, which you guys can see. Next, I'm going in with this powder palette, and this just has like different powders that you can use in different shades, and these are all face powders. So I'm just using a shade that is similar to my skin tone just to blend out all that excess powder. Now I'm taking this blush and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks and on my nose because I am a blush girl. Like I said, I love a good blush. So I'm just setting that blush basically that I placed earlier. Now we're headed to the eyebrows. This is definitely a face first look. I haven't been doing eyebrows first in a while, I haven't been doing eyebrows first in a while, guys. So I literally just do my face first and I do my eyebrows last, and it just makes it look a little more natural than just having those sharp eyebrows. And I've seen a lot of makeup artists do it actually. But with this, you really need like a lot of precision because you can't mess up and make one eyebrow, different from the other one. That's the only thing about this method. Now I'm just using my LA Girl Pro concealer because it has a tip that's perfect for, carving out the eyebrows. So I'm just using that brush the tip of that brush just to carve out my eyebrows and make sure that they're nice and even. Now we're finally onto the eyeshadow. So you want to take a fluffy brush and start off with a nice brown, a subtle brown, just to bring out some colors first before you add that green. So I did start off with a brown first with a fluffy brush, and now I'm going in with a more dense brush to add the desired color that I want. So today I'm going with green, but you guys can go with pink, you can go with purple, you can go with yellow, whatever color you want, guys, because this is still a soft glam, but we're just adding color to it, I'm also applying some eyeliner. I'm using the Inglot eyeliner, and I'm just using a pointed brush. These are specific for wing eyeliner, liners. So I'm using this brush specifically, and I'm just dipping it in my Inglot eyeliner and just creating the desired wing that I want. I wanted like not too dramatic, but just like a cute little wing, you know. Alright guys, liner is done, and I love to add a little bit of white shadow in my inner corner of my eyes because it just brings out a little pop, you know? It just makes your eyes look nice and wide and open. So I do love adding white eyeshadow to my inner eye ducts. So yeah, I did that, and now I'm just adding some mascara, and I'm going to apply these lashes that I got from Juicy Bundles. This is the name of the lashes. And I'm going to basically cut it to the shape of my eye, add some lash glue. I like adding lash glue directly on my eyes because it dries faster and I don't have to wait a long time for the glue to dry. And I just literally pop the lashes on right on top of that. And I also do this for my clients as well. It's just so much easier to put on lashes this way. Like, I don't do it any other way anymore. So now we're going to dust away any excess powder, and you want to make sure with this that if you're dusting off the underneath your eyes, you want to get a slightly lighter powder because you want to keep that highlighted. And then for the rest of your face, you want to get a powder that's exactly your skin tone. So make sure that you're dusting off effectively and you're not dusting off all the work that you did. Right now I'm spraying my face with my Morphe setting spray just to set everything and make it look less powdery. I also added some eyeshadow under my eyes as well as some mascara off camera. And now I'm just applying some lipstick and lip liner to finish off the look. And this was so cute, guys. I really love this look. I added some lip gloss as well. And this is basically the completed look. I wanted to do my makeup to do a little video to promote my makeup class that's coming up in July 2025. I'm having a Soft Glam makeup course for anyone who's learning and who are beginners. So if you guys are interested, definitely check my description box and check out my website to see more details. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.